Hello, happy people. I'm Tyler.
And I'm Crystal.
And this is LWS Live With Us, where we're gonna take you off-grid full time in our RV.
In today's video, we're going to show you how we turn this into this.
Now, before we go any further, guys, it would help us out a lot if you could go down below this video, smash the subscribe button if you haven't already, and hit that like button for us, please. It helps get our videos out there so that we can keep doing this, keep sharing videos like this, and I really want to. If y'all have any questions or comments about the RV roof, please throw them down in the comments section below, and we'll answer them as soon as possible for you. Thanks everyone. You!
Woo! The surprise under the
my.
sheet metal.
So we're going and sealing everything, getting all the seals done. And we found a big hole. We saw this cover and it was siliconed. I was like, oh no, it looks fine. And we're like, no, let's see what's under there. We pulled it out and it's bad. So, patch and fill it. We'll see what happens.
Got everything all sealed up, primed out for the prime tomorrow. Flex seal on everything, filled every hole, every crack we could possibly find. This beast will be waterproof and good to go. Flex seal.
So this is day 3 now of RV repair. And so we started with the roof. We got our flex seal cured, fully cured. It's been 36 hours. So I'm gonna sweep everything off, give it a nice leaf blow, I think, too. It's pretty dusty. We're up in the mountains, so dusty, dirty. Everywhere where we primed, this stuff's sticking down really strong. Doesn't hold as strong on like just the normal metal parts. So I'm gonna prime this whole thing because we don't know if we're gonna do like a flex seal roof coating or a pool coating. We live in a pretty rural area, so we have to go down and go see what's gonna be our best option. Cool, I'm just gonna clean this up and I'll be right back. Leaf blowers work better. Just got everything leaf blowed, swept off, pretty clean. I'm happy with it. Now we're gonna get the gripper, lay it down. So this is what we're gonna be using. PPG seal gripper. I looked up what's gonna bond to the metal the best, and it said this was the first one on the list. It's actually one of my favorite primer, sealer, and stain blockers, so I trust it. Got it from my local neighborhood paint store. It's good to go. All white. Figured better this than putting rubber straight onto the raw material. So, seal gripper. Kind of curious what people have to say about priming your metal roof. Let me know what you guys think. I'm a painter by trade. Let's see. Painter. And you're not supposed to put a top coat onto raw material. So it just felt weird to me. So, favorite primer, we'll lay it down. So what you guys are gonna wanna do, get the best bond possible. Not supposed to trust the tape, but I know how to brush away from the tape. So we're gonna brush this on. And you want this to go on nice and thick. You do not want to skimp with the material. Got a whole gallon for this roof. So we're going to apply it generously. Now you want to give it a generous amount, but you don't want to put too much. You want to smooth it out. Get a nice uniform coverage. If you want to add more, you come back and do that on the second coat. Here's our deathly hole. We fixed it up. Got Flex Seal all the way around it. Put the rock on top, put some more underneath. Got some patch inside that'll show you guys later. Now we're gonna seal it. You're gonna apply it with the roller. When you apply with the roller, you wanna go back over all your cuts. Make sure you get everything nice and uniform. Punch it back in. When you guys are doing this too, get yourself a roller pole. To save your back. And just keep rolling it out. Awesome. Last little bit. Looks so far, but I can't even see it. Yeah, you can. There we go. Looking good, looking good. Right, on to the last little section. Same thing again. Cut. Roll back over your cuts. Roll everything out. Should be good. Priming was a success. Looks good. I'm stoked. We're gonna get some new vents that are on the way. Probably end up painting the air conditioner cover. I gotta take that off. Go in there, clean everything out. We'll see how it goes. Dude, this feels way better than it did before. That's really cool. Oh yeah. Prime time, baby. Feels and looks awesome. It's exactly what I wanted. So I like gripper. This stuff is strong. Look at that. What gaps? Got the stretchy rubber. It's perfect. It's perfect. So stoked. Coolio. Second coat coming up. Let's get it. Time to Flex Seal. Got our Flex Seal. Start by laying it on with the brush. Get all these little corners. Same as I did on the prime. Start by cutting it first. And roll up to it. It's getting a little worried about cleanup, so got some mineral spirits. Help me out. And I hope that I don't need to clean it up. Just use the mineral spirits to thin as needed and whatnot. Well, just got the front side done. Working on this next little section. And I'm using just a dip with the brush to cut it in. Dip into the can. Show the dip method. So just get a nice generous amount onto that brush. Stick it up in there. You're gonna take that, smooth it around. Make sure you fill every little crack that you can see. That's what I really like about the Flex liquid, is that you can brush it on. It's really pliable. Gets into every little crack. And no, I'm not sponsored. I just really like this stuff. I figured because I had a flexy roof that needed to get sealed. Well, what better than Flex Seal? Says it right in the name. Alright. I'm just locking my brush up on the side. I'm noticing this stuff's not drying out too fast. It does have a 24 to 48 hour cure time. Alright, so I'm just pouring it on a small amount. Remember, you can always add more if you need to. This stuff's kind of hard to work. Just start from the center, start from the pile, and then work your way out from there. Just working it out. Go as far as you can with it. Notice on the can it said to do a thin layer. Come back and add more if you need. So we're gonna start with that. It's always best to follow the paint instructions on your cans. They put it there for a reason. Make your life easier. Smooth it up. Get that nice and even. Like I said, the can said thin layer. Come back later to apply more. And only do the nice long strokes again. You can even overlap into your last section. Notice this stuff stays pliable for at least 5 minutes. Even if you step in it. Cool. Alright, I'll check back in with you guys when this is all done. Well, this just turned out freaking awesome. I'm so stoked on that. Oh, perfect, dude. Can't wait to get new vents. It's gonna be the icing on the cake up here. Maybe paint these. Not sure yet. So cool. Good seals. Good seals. Good seals. So stoked.
Thank you all so much for watching till the end. We're going to be posting a video on how to fix your RV roof vent next. So go down below this video, hit that like button, smash that notification bell so you don't miss it. Thank you all so much again. Till next time, just keep living. Yeah!